Technology Yutai machinery factory is located in the capital city of ceramic, Techology, since 1996. We have been manufacturing all kinds of machines for making ceramic tableware, such as ball mill, filter press, hug mill, semi-automatic, and automatic forming machines, semi-automatic and automatic glazing machines, ceramic printing machines. Nowadays, more and more customers want to have their own factory in their own countries. To find one who can offer all machines and technology is the most important thing. We are the one you are looking for. We offer one-station service. Our professional technical team will help you to establish a new factory from the beginning to the finishing product. Please tell us your requirements. We will design a unique production line for your factory needs. Welcome to visit us. Please feel free to contact with us. Looking forward to the cooperation between us.